Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I'm here with another Dollar General video for you this week, and it is full of glitches. This video is unbelievable. So make sure that you go ahead and go do these deals as soon as possible, because we don't know when these coupons are going to be pulled or the glitches are going to be fixed. So let's head into the store so we can hurry up, get the information, and go out and do the deals. Okay guys, so the first deal that we're going to do is going to be on the Charmin, and I'm going to call this a run deal, and I'm going to call it a glitch. So you can decide what you want to call it, but if you're going to do it the way I'm going to do it, you definitely want to get here because the shelves will clear. So what we're going to look at is we're going to look at these Charmin Mega Rolls. There's 2 in a pack. Those are $3.50 a piece. We're also going to look at the red Charmin Mega Rolls. Those are $3.50 a piece. And we're going to look at the yellow pack Charmin Rolls. These are $2.25. You can grab 2 of these. You could do any combination. You could do a yellow and a red, a blue and a red, a blue and a yellow, however you want to do. You just need to grab 2 of them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the cheapest, the best bang for my buck, and I'm going to grab 2 yellow ones, okay? So when you grab 2 yellow ones, and I'm going to show you here in a minute, we have a digital coupon that attaches. Now, I don't believe this digital coupon is supposed to attach to this, but we're going to go ahead and get it because it is attaching in the app. So when you grab both of these, that's going to come to $4.50. And guess what, guys? Look, we have this $3.30 digital coupon that's attaching. That makes this toilet paper unbelievably cheap. Now, like I said, you can get the 2 blue, you can get 2 red, you get a red and a blue, or the red and a yellow, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the 2 yellows because that's the best bang for our buck right now, okay? Now, the other thing that we're going to get, which is also, again, a run deal and a glitch, and the shelves will clear. We want to grab 1 of these Bounty Essentials toilet paper. Paper towels. We already grabbed toilet paper. Paper towels. These are found in your dollar aisle or Value Valley, whatever you want to call it. They're $1. And guys, look, we have this 50-cent digital coupon that is attaching. Again, this coupon is not supposed to attach, but it is. So we're going to go ahead and take advantage of that glitch. And guys, you know these glitches can stop at any time. They can pull the coupon or they can stop it from working. So you want to make sure that you get it before everything is over. So we're going to go and we're going to get our next deal. Okay, so the next deal we're going to do is going to be the Colgate instant savings deal, and that is when you spend $15 on specific or certain, I'm going to capitalize those words, specific or certain Colgate products. And those products include soft soap, Ajax, Palmolive. There's a whole bunch of different items that are included. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab 2 of these soft soaps. They are $5.50. So that's going to bring us to $11, okay? But let me grab these and put them in my cart. When you scan them into the app, there is a $4 off 2 digital coupon that attaches to that. Now you can use that along with the $5 off 15 because the spend 15 and get $5 off is an instant savings. And you can always combine a manufacturer coupon and instant savings together. So then the next item we're going to get us up to our $15 threshold is we're going to grab 1 of these Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are $4. So that brings us exactly to $15. Now be careful, guys, because when you scan this toothpaste into your app, you're going to have 2 digital coupons that attach this. You're going to have a $5 off 2, and you're going to have a $2 off 1. You're going to use the $2 off 1 because we're only getting 1. So we're going to get the $4 off for that and the $2 off for that. So that's a total of $6 off, plus the $5 instant savings. So that's $11 off. So what I'm going to do, because I know a lot of you guys are new to couponing, I'm going to ring this up separate, and then I'm going to ring the paper towels and the Charmin together, because I want you to be able to see that the glitches actually work, and I want you to see how this instant savings works. Okay, guys, so this is everything we're going to get today. We're going to get the 2 Charmin, the Colgate toothpaste, and the soft soap body wash, along with the Bounty paper towels. So we're going to head up to the register and see what our out-of-pocket is. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car, and everything worked out perfect. The glitches are confirmed. So here you go. There is the Bounty for $1, and the 50-cent digital coupon came off of that. Then you have the Charmin. Each of them were $2.25 for a total of $4.50. The digital coupon of $3.30 came off of that. So for both of the Charmin and the Bounty, I paid $1.70. Guys, that is an amazing, amazing deal. You guys got to run and do this, because I'm telling you, those shelves are going to clear. They will clear. Okay, so then here is my receipt for the soft soap body wash at $5.50 each. You see the store's discount of 83 cents came off. You're going to see the store discounts for each item. When you add them all up, it's going to be $5. That is the instant savings. The instant savings is counted as a store discount. So there you see the digital coupon of $4, because it was $4 off when you buy 2. So you just took the $4 off of 1. There is the second body wash for $5.50, store discount of $3.05. Then there's my Colgate toothpaste for $4, store discount of $1.12. So when you add 83 cents, $3.05, and $1.12, that all comes to $5. And then there's my $2 digital coupon for the toothpaste. So my total for this came to $4. Guys, again, this is an excellent deal, because the body wash is $5.50 a piece. So basically, it's like I paid for the toothpaste, which is $4, and I got the 2 body washes for free. So when you add this up, you have $4 for the body wash and the toothpaste, and $1.70 for the toilet paper and the paper towels. Then I paid $5.70 for this entire haul. Excellent deal. So go out and grab your items, guys, because I'm telling you, the shelves are going to clear. And till the next time, keep on saving.